We start this excursion through Birdland with a flicker in the North Burial Ground. A mockingbird on a tombstone. A blue jay in the bushes alongside Ridgeside Lake. Two short clips of a fairly large flock of turkeys in Swan Point. A male and female hooded merganser in the Seekonk River. The male with the black and white head, the female with a golden head with a crown. A female bufflehead. The male buffleheads are white and with a black head. The females are mostly gray with a little white spot on the black head. More social behavior among the buffleheads. They are the smallest North American ducks. They're all diving to go look for food. They catch little things in the water.